please, guys.
Omo Yoruba, don't even tell me that. Don't even go there at all. How will you feel if you were in my shoes?
Olivia!
How do you want me to tell my parents I've lost my virginity? How? Are you feeling my pains at all? Are you?
Olivia, I feel your pain. And we will follow your decision. You all, let's go.
Thank you.
Are you guys going? Where are you going?
Come on, let's go, John.
What do you guys think about Rema and his friends? And why is that one sleeping at the back?
I don't even know. I'm even surprised seeing him sleeping safe and even alone.
Wait, all they fight.
I don't think so. And do you know what would have even think they cannot separate? Like they will move to everywhere together.
Me safe, I'm even shocked. Like even seeing him
Do you
alone.
guys know that the school is supposed to take note of these people? Because they are dangerous. What
They
they
used
do
to,
is
like they used to walk around. They are too bully.
it's not like it's not evident to the teachers. The teachers know what is going on.
Has you?
Rema, is it the one that made the deal? Which one?
Yes.
Precious, let's go. Stop looking at them. I'll make sure I treat their purpose.
Talk of the devil, please. Let's go.
You're doing so much school. Sorry guys. Starboy. You don't share, don't play Starboy. Very bad.
Ṣé ti ya wèrè ni? Okay, wèrè yín ṣe in conjunction. Ìwọ wá síbí. Okay, bí wọ́n ṣe wò mí ẹ̀, èmi náà tún wò ẹ́. Ayé ti bàjẹ́. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni sọ sí ìbùjọ.
Calm down, let him tell us about it.
Tell us.
I'm very scared right now because the dream is scary. I saw Olivia, I saw Precious, or what's her name. I saw that girl that used to chant, Omo Yoruba, Abikelo Porukwe. They want to fight us in the dream.
Fight?
Yes. In fact, they faced us squarely and they promised they would deal with us. I am very scared right now. But hey, the thing is this, I think we need to resolute. What do you guys feel?
Guys, I think those girls are planning something against
Guys, I think this in class. Eti jagere. Mi sense. Kí ló ṣe lè? Okay, mo tún sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kíkẹ́. Ọlọ́run. Guys, ẹgbọ́n ẹ̀wọ́ ọmọ school ní gbogbo wa àwọn òràyè o. Tó bá tẹ́ pé fọmọ school ní gbogbo máa ń bá aṣọ school ní o. Kò sí kan tó bá ṣe kò sí. Mo ti dúró fún yín, èmi ló fẹ́ gbá pé I'm here to cook for you guys.
ẹ kú kalẹ̀ olùkọ́ ẹ̀sà ẹ̀ka ayé máa dá onídìí ṣe wá o ṣé o sí sà torí tébà nídìí obìnrin ìjẹkùmọ̀lú o ìdí ṣe wá ní sọfọ iṣẹ́ wọn takuntakun o àmọ́ ń èmi ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹ bàmí lára mọ́ lórí ọmọ mi wá o ọmọ mi divine ẹ wo ìwọ̀kúwọ̀ rẹ̀ o nàgbára jù o kódà ìwọ̀kú rẹ̀ ti fẹ́ dé àwọn ọmọ olóṣòrè ní dòdòkídòkiri àdúgbò yẹn kọ́mọ̀ máa kọjá wájú ní wáyé tí màmá wo pàpà rẹ̀ náṣọ ndẹ́ni fọ́ kí sóbìnrin àwọn tẹ́lẹ̀ gbò olùkọ́bí àìké sí o kò má bàa bàjẹ́ kí dédé náà má bàa dà kò ṣe wá rí mẹ́. Kéde a máa wo ọmọ dáadáa ní divine o. Ẹ ṣe ọmọ dáadáa lọ sí the best student of this school. Best kankan o. Bí ọ̀gá àti sọ ẹni sọ̀kọ, kó ṣẹ́gbà mẹ́ta àwọn ẹ̀mí náà tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ̀jẹ̀ kò pé mẹ́fà. That is divine. Ju bí tẹ́ ẹ̀ràn mi lọ. Màmá kọ́ ọmọ yín o. Màá bá yín change life ẹ̀. Tẹ́yìn kó bá rí àwọn kan ẹ máa wò pé ṣọ́mọ mi lélẹ̀. Ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀. Wọ́n á ṣe yẹn mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Kódà kẹ́ bá ṣe mi, ṣì máa fi bínú, ṣì máa fi gún ẹ̀lẹ́gùn. Màá gún ẹ̀ gift o. Ẹ ṣàfọkàn balẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ máa rí àyípadà rere lára ẹ̀. Yes sir. Ẹ̀yin ṣe máa mú láìkẹ́ ẹ̀rọ tíṣà lè méjì rẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin bẹ́ẹ̀ ni fẹ́ yìí sínú mi dùn. Kí orúkọ wọn torí bí bàbá bùn ẹ̀lẹ́gùn yìí. Ṣé ẹ Mr. Adolapo lórúkọ mi? Mr. Adolapo. Ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun lèmi náà. Ọmọ káàrọ̀ òjìrè ni mí. Aláàbẹ̀ wa jáde lẹ o. You're welcome sir. Ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀ o. Ẹ má worry. Ayé máa dá. Divine.
Yes, sir.
I must confess to you. I'm not happy with you.
Sir, what's wrong?
Your father reported you to me.
My father?
Yes. You have been putting on inappropriate dresses at home.
Sir, I only put on what makes me feel comfortable. And at least I don't even wear them to school.
Okay. Divine. Actually, I understand your point. Is it because you are now having a boyfriend? But that doesn't prompt you to dress anyhow. Divine, you see?
So what are you trying to do?
Please allow me to take care.
So what are you doing?
Divine! You are still coming back.
Daddy, are you going out?
No,
Daddy, please, I want to talk to you.
Now, sorry about me, but you want to what?
I want to talk to you. I want to discuss something with you.
When the baby saw you,
Daddy, I'll come and meet you inside the car. I'm coming.
Come and meet me. My daddy will share my phone. I'm meeting me. Kid.
Daddy, my teacher said you came to report me to him.
No, me came to report to
Daddy, do you know what he's trying to do? He was trying to harass me now. He was trying to harass me.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe ni mọ́tò bọ́ta ọmọ wo lè lórúwó kẹ́ni ọkàn máa ara sí àbí kẹ́sọ sẹ́yìn bọ́ta ọ̀rọ̀ pàlàpàlà nífẹ̀ẹ́ gbọ́ tíṣà rẹ̀ ara sí àbí kẹ́sọ sẹ́yìn.
Yes, sir, he was trying to harass me.
He was trying to kó bàbá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú yóò bá ń kọ́.
Daddy, won't try àti bá mi fipá ṣe. Daddy, he was trying to harass me.
Ẹ̀dùn kí ni ẹgbọ̀n dédé ẹ̀kú mo gbọ́ fipá ṣe yẹn.
Daddy, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lè lọ report me now.
Mo ṣe report rẹ̀ fọ kó bá máa kọ́ ẹ dáadáa o èmi máa fọ ọtún tí ń fi ọmọ rẹ̀ kún. Ó ti ṣe náà máa ṣe kó bá ti ń ṣe kó mi jẹ́ ẹ̀gún lè ṣe wégun o.
Daddy, what are you going to do now? What are you going to do?
Sínú má ṣe. Jáde jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ wọlé. Jáde kí n bá pọ̀ kó fọ́ máa lè mi wà. Èmi dá ti ṣàrẹ̀ tí o máa ṣe oríwó burúkú. Sọ ma gbọ́ owó rẹ̀ kó lọ́rùn rẹ̀. Èmi mú gòwè dì rẹ̀. Èmi sọ wà rẹ̀. Kí náà? Fún mi kí. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. Hope you are all fine.
Yes, sir.
And how was your weekend? Hope it's
fine, sir. Fine, sir. You're looking good, sir.
Yes, you're also looking good. It shows on your face. Before we proceed to the topic of today, who can remind us of our last topic? A round of applause for him.
Arms of government, sir.
Arms of government.
Yes, sir.
So what are the arms of government?
The judiciary, the legislature, and the executive.
A round of applause for him once again. You at the back. What do you understand by the word judiciary?
Little funny by you. I do not know it.
Imagine, and very soon you'll be sitting down for your wife. You will meet yourself there. What about you?
They are the one that execute the law. So.
Expatiate more.
I don't know more than that.
Don't know more than that. SS2 students. I don't know more than that. Don't worry, you meet yourself. Good morning, class, once again. Good morning, sir. And the topic before us this morning is power. Say after me, power. Power. Say after me, power. Power. When we say power in government, it simply means the ability or authority of a government or political leader to influence, control, direct the behavior of people and enforce laws and make decisions within a territory or over a population. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
If I may ask now, who is the first citizen of this school we have?
The proprietor.
The proprietor is the first citizen of this school. So it means he has the overall power.
That is divine. And it can need to àwọn ọmọ wà nínú class. We can settle this matter amicably. Please.
ọmọ wà ní kíláàsì ó bọ́ láàrin ni ó ṣe ṣàkó ó bọ́ ara èèyàn ṣùkẹ́ má ṣe wẹ́n sọ àwọn wà ní sùn méṣe wẹ́n kọ́ ní kọ̀kọ̀.
Ìwọ àdúgbò ló ń gbọ́ voice yìí.
ẹ kọ́ gbọ́ irú ìjọba fún ara US ìbẹ̀ni wa dá sí.
Tálẹ́ntì sọ̀rọ̀.
Lẹ́nu jẹ́ Mr. Dọ́lápọ̀ kí ni jẹ́ Mr. Pápá lẹ́nu jẹ́ Dọ́lápọ̀ ẹ bá ń pè jáde.
Ẹni sùúrù.
Ọlọ́pàá ẹ bá kẹ́ni bọ́ọ̀dù níbẹ̀ wò.
Ẹni sùúrù.
Mo ti gbọ́.
What's going on here? Mr. Missy is asking of him, Mr. Dolapo.
What is the problem?
Ẹ wọ́n mọ̀ ọ́n Dọ́lápọ̀ rẹ̀ ṣe olórí burúkú Dọ́lápọ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ ọ́n ṣe. Problem ti wá o.
It's okay.
Problem wá o nílẹ̀ para wá o.
Everything will be solved.
Everything sọ̀pù níbẹ̀ wò.
Let's be patient.
Mo ti gbọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ti gbọ́.
Hello, what is going on there?
Good afternoon, ma. He's one of the parents. Not much complain, ma.
Hey, if he has anything to complain, then take him to your office. Why the noise?
Ọ́fíìsì kẹ̀ ilé ìṣọ́ra ọ́fíìsì o. Kíkẹ́ bọ́lẹ̀ ní òwe o. Ilé ìṣọ́ra ọ́fíìsì o.
Okay, I'm coming down right now.
Lò sọ́mọ́ ìbọn tí mo wọ́n tọ́jú wà dé o. Ẹ̀dùn mẹ́rin mi rà mí o.
Please, calm down. Please, calm down.
Calm down, please.
Mo ti gbọ́.
Everything will be solved.
Mr. Dolapo. Gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lọ sí a máa fi sùúrù yanjú ẹ jẹ́ kí kí sípàdé.
Àbọ̀ wa wà kọ́ ìdánwò.
What's going on? What is it?
He's one of our parents.
Okay, sir.
He's asking.
Jameson ti kàlá mi. Ayé máa dá.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó wọ́n yín lọ lè
Wọ́n ṣe òun mi á lọ lẹ̀. Àmọ́ ohun ṣé ó dábẹ́ ní sọ̀fẹ̀ ìwọ̀n láàkáyè. Kí ẹ ráwọn ẹmu ẹ̀ làkáyè wọ́n pè rárá o. Làkáyè wọ́n pè é.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Wọ́n ṣe ṣé ẹni bí mo ṣe wà yìí iṣẹ́ ṣàlágà mi ṣe àwọn ẹni kò gbẹ̀. Kí ni ìwà ọmọ wa sí skúlù fọ ohun ìmájẹ fọ bí short tomorrow. Kí ni ọkọ̀ wà ní skúlù wẹ̀ kọ́ nípa ìyẹn Mr. Dolapo kọ́ mi fẹ́ pọ̀ mi ọmọ mi nídìí. Ìwà lánàá lẹ̀. Ìwà lórí burúkú rẹ̀ yẹn o. Kọ́ mọ́ rẹ̀ yẹn.
Tàbí kò kílẹ̀ orúkọ ẹni yẹn.
Ìṣòro wo burúkú. Wọ́n Dolapo.
Please go and call him. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ jẹ́ ẹ wá máa lọ lé àṣẹ.
Ilé ìbá wà o. Kí ni bẹ̀rẹ̀?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir.
If I may ask you, who is the head of your family? Your father is the head of the family in church. Our pastor is the head of the church. Isn't it?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, a máa ṣètò ẹ̀ ṣé ní sùúrù làwọn ọmọ fún wa níbẹ̀ jọ. Àdúgbò rẹ̀ wá jọ.
Ọmọ skúlù náà Dolapo mi fẹ́ pọ̀ mi nìyẹn.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Àbọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kí bá pọ̀ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ọmọ alẹ́.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ewé má pọ̀ fún ara mi.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir.
As we have now, who is the head of this class we have?
Class captain.
Class captain. So any situation or in any place we find ourselves, there must always be someone in charge of power. Do you understand? So that's what power simply means is in government. Is the ability to...
Mr. Dolapo, your attention is needed, please.
My attention is needed.
Urgent, very urgent, please.
Okay, excuse me class, I'll be right back in the next few minutes.
Yes, sir.
Please maintain a perfect decorum.
You are still making noise.
Jọ̀ọ́ sir, what's going on?
Kí ni kò fojú rí wa yìí? Ó kú rẹ̀ yẹn.
Call him now.
Ẹni ìdáhùn wọn tí mo wà ń wú.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ má pariwo sir, school premises ẹ wọ ẹjọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Kí ni kò tó fojú rí?
Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa ṣètò ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Mo ń dùn lábẹ́ aṣọ rẹ kí n pàdùn mọ́.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ má bínú sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ mọ̀ ọ̀run kúrú owó ààrẹ.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir.
Ọmọ mi tọ́ láti kí mi ní ṣe wá ìwé.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Iṣẹ́ wọn kò gbẹ́ mi ṣe.
Ẹ ní sùúrù ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir.
Mo ń dùn mi.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sir.
Ẹ
jọ̀ọ́ sir.
Kí ni kò fojú rí?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ayé wọn á dá.
This
Hey, Charlie! Ọlọ́run burúkú wà wá. Ọlọ́run burúkú ẹni sùn. Ẹni kan kàdà ọlọ́run burúkú wà. Ẹbí bá pọ̀ ẹ̀ta kàdà ẹni sùn. Ẹbí bá pọ̀ ẹni sùn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí pa bọ̀ bọ̀.
ilé ẹ̀kọ́ sí bíbá yìí wọ́n ní ẹ ti fẹ́ pa ọlọ́mọ gbọ́dọ̀ àmọ́ ẹ̀ ẹni sùn.
Ṣáyẹ̀ dàbá ń gbòjì. Ẹni sùn wọ́n lọ́wọ́
ṣẹ́rí ìwà tẹ́ ẹ wù yẹn ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó. That is an embarrassment even for which teachers. Why ìtẹ̀ ṣe máa wúwú wà báyẹn? Kò yẹ ká tiẹ̀ máa gbọ́ pé nǹkan. Are you a Christian or Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Ẹ ṣọ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti marry.
Mo ti marry ní last year.
Bọ̀ kí ló wá sún yín dé gbogbo àwọn rubbish yẹn débi pé wọ́n ń bá kò yẹ ká máa bá yín nínú gbogbo àwọn ìwàkiwà yẹn náà.
Yes sir, I'm deeply sorry.
In fact, ẹ dójú tì wá gan o. Ẹ máa wo bí parents yẹn, ẹ máa wo bó ṣe ń pariwo lé wa ní bó ṣe ń embarrass wa. Ó wá ń categorize wa, bẹ́ẹ̀ pé àríbá kan náà. Yàrá ìsọ́mọ́dé wò yín tẹ́ ṣe tẹ́ wọ ṣúùtù tẹ́ dé gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n kò pọ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n ní mọ̀ pé wà búkú báyìí bẹ nínú yín. Can you imagine? Kò yẹ kí nǹkan báyẹn máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ̀yin sí student. Can you imagine ẹ̀yin sí student ìwú ọmọ yẹn?
I'm sorry sir.
That is an embarrassment now.
I don't know what came over me.
Don't say that again. You don't.
Ṣáàbà mi bẹ̀ management àtàwọn staffs tó kù.
Don't know what came over you. What came over you? Tẹ́ fi súnmọ́ ọmọ lọ́mọ. You don't know what came over you. Tẹ́ fi wọnú ọmọ lọ́mọ. What? In fact, ṣé ṣe yíwà tẹ́ wù yẹn? In fact, tó bá yẹ pé ìjọba fẹ́ bá wa dá sí ni 7 years imprisonment ni.
Ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó dọ́dọ̀ ìjọba. Ẹ bá mi bẹ̀.
Ìwà àkọlẹ̀ ẹ̀wù yẹn o. Ẹ kàn ń dojú ti àwa teachers ni. Báyìí bẹ́ta ni. Ẹ̀yin kẹ́ ẹ borí ara yín kẹ́ má bàa school jẹ́.
Ẹ ṣe ẹ bá mi bẹ̀ àwọn colleagues wa tó kù.
Ló bá yín lọ yẹn. Kàdàkàdà tó ń bẹ lára yín náà ló jẹ́ kí n máa ṣiṣẹ́ kàdàkàdà kí n gbó school.
Ẹ ṣáà bá mi bẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe gbọ́. Ẹ̀mí èṣù ni kò ní fọ́ tèmi náà. Kọ́lọ́run la mi kí mo wá débẹ̀. You! What about your class here? What do you mean?
Mr. Dolapo, ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ṣó dẹ̀ bójú mu ṣá? Ẹ̀yin náà wo bí máa ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pariwo nínú compound. Ìwà dúró yín síwú ọmọ yẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ìwà ìdójútì gbáà nìkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Ẹ wá mú ọmọ kékeré ẹ wá lọ ń tọwọ́ bọ̀ lábẹ́. Ṣé nǹkan tó dá nìyẹn?
Mi tí ti kábọ̀ ń di.
Tẹ́ bá tún máa ti kábọ̀ ń di nǹkan. Mr. Dolapo, ẹ dójútì gbogbo àwọn teacher nínú school yìí. Anyway, ibi tẹ́ bá padà bára yín, ẹ̀yin lè fọwọ́ ara yín fa.
Yes sir, nobody is above mistake. Àwọn tó ṣe ní ilé ìṣẹ̀yìn náà. Actually, ìgbà tí ìrìn ṣe nǹkan kan náà, ọwọ́ mi kan ìfẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀ ni. Ẹ wo ẹ̀rọ náà ẹ̀rọ pè mí mọ́ o.
Wèrè ní máa yọ. So, kò tí ẹ mọ̀ ipò òun guilty lórí nǹkan tó ṣe ṣá. Ó ti lọ́nu ọgbà yìí.
He's a nice guy. He's not bully. It's just that
you did not see anybody in the entire school. It's just you did not have
babes, you guys should calm down. He's not a bully.
God, the devil say I was bad.
See them. Just pass it.
We are following his house.
Okay, you want to know his house?
Yes.
Wow. Then birds of same feathers. As they say, birds of same feathers flock together.
Who are you talking about?
I'm just
looking at all of them.
Out. Just count the other guy out.
Count who? No, if you want to talk, explicit what are you trying to say?
I'm just trying to say something.
Okay.
You know that.
It's not that words. What are you trying to say?
Hey, don't understand.
Why don't you understand?
It's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking? Is every time you used to think everything?
It is now. It's because it's every time you used to talk about it.
Hey, you tell us what you are thinking.
You should ask her.
What did you want to ask me?
You should tell us now.
No, there's nothing.
Tell us what you think she's thinking.
I don't have anything now.
Okay, wait. What are you thinking? It's like you are moody these days. Just tell me. Tell us that we are your friends. Tell us. What are you thinking?
Look at me. Talk to me.
I should talk to you.
Yes,
tell me now.
I actually like him.
You like who? That bully.
I already know.
Let's just go. You like that bully? Of all people in the school.
No.
Excuse me.
Is that bully?
Thank you.
Wait, just relax yourself. I'm here with you. Gbogbo ayé ni màá bá yín ṣe. Gbogbo eré ni màá bá yín ṣe. Má worry.
Thank you, baby.
Just relax. Babe, I'm coming. Just let me have my clothes.
Yeah, come to master. Come to bed, baby. Okay.
Oh my God. Guys, please call me.
What? What's happening here? Did you set me up?
Mr. Damilare.
What?
Wow. So, this is the legacy you're trying to pass down to your students, right? Do you think you're smart, right?
Guys, I think this case is getting out of hand.
What is it again?
Let her talk.
Master Dare told me that I failed his test. He also threatened me that if I want to pass my exam, I know what to do, but I don't know what I can do. I think he wants to have sex with me.
Again?
No, don't worry, guys. Like, I think I have an idea.
What? I'm tired for today's lecture.
So, how was your day? How was everything?
Yeah, everything is fine, but I just tired, like serious.
Guys, wait. I think we should call him. Like, just call him here and tell him you're coming. Yeah. Call him Anna. You will tell him that when you get home, you will put off your uniform and then change your clothes and then come.
Okay, let me try.
Is it ready?
Yes. Hello, sir. Yes, good afternoon, sir. Yes, it's me, Anna. Yes. So I just want to tell you that if I get home, if I drop my bag, so I will change my clothes. I will come and meet you at that hotel. Yes, that same hotel. Yes. All right, no problem. I will be right there. Bye.
As it cut?
Yes.
All of us are going together?
Yes.
Oh, but guys, I can't follow you guys. I have something necessary to do at home.
Whoa. Who they want me to go at your lonely?
Okay, no problem. The three of us can go now.
Sure. No problem. Just let's go.
Let's go.
I can't wait. Like,
we will drink it fuck up. If school cannot have laws and punishment against sexual harassment, and we will take laws into our hands.
Oh my God, don't do that, please. Please don't do that.
Like Arike, snap him.
Please don't do that.
Make videos of him.
Don't
you
do that,
need to smile for the camera.
Please.
At least we're having fun. We're having fun.
Please,
You
don't
toss
do
me.
that.
I said smile to the camera.
Please.
Smile to the camera.
Please.
Smile to the camera. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Please. Why am I not sure? The
So you are just coming, Abi?
You can come into my best.
What am I saying? Come and see, come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. All day is for the thieves, but one day is for the owner. God has catch him now. The other day he was shouting and ranting. Mr. Dolapo, you are not perfect. You are a teacher. Look at him now. Look at his picture. His picture is on the house now. Look at him.
Is this not this uncle? What's his name? Remind me, you guys.
Mr. Dare.
Mr. Dare. Why is he naked?
Jesus Christ. That is how we see it too.
what is happening outside the gate?
They pasted something.
What is it?
Mr. Dare. Is this not Mr. Dare? I don't know. What's this picture doing here?
Are you asking me? See him now, ask him.
He's not fighting now, he's just
So
questioning.
funny. Wait, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
He's even naked.
Is it not what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking again?
Yes, now, because last week, Mr. Dolapo still offended.
So he did something wrong.
What did you now do like this?
Okay. So with all your this thing, okay. Thank God for arresting you. Thank God.
What's going on there?
Something is going on, man. Come and see.
What?
Take a look at this.
Is this not Mr. Dari?
Yes. The most humble and dedicated staff of yours.
Mr. Man, shut up. Are you not bird of the same feathers?
Okay.
Killing people if you saw school with by. What's all this? Mr. Dari?
Yes, he's the one.
Let's go and gist people. It's not Mr. Dari picture outside.
Is this not Mr. Dari?
It's Mr. Dari.
Jesus Christ.
What are you guys doing over there? Go inside your classroom. Morning, Mr. Dolapo.
Good morning, ma.
What is happening?
Look at your partner.
Oh, so this is what the students are viewing outside?
Yes.
What? This is a shameful act.
It's a big shame to the school.
I can't believe this. Hey.
What? Who is this? Wow. This is me. Oh.
Like Arike, snap him.
Please, don't do that.
Make videos of him.
Don't
You
do that,
need to
please.
smile for the camera.
Please.
At least we're having fun. We're having fun with kids.
Please,
You
don't
talk
do that.
I said smile to the camera.
Please.
Smile to the camera.
Please,
Smile to the
please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. They are trying to blackmail me. Oh my God. It's like I will need to leave this place now. I can't enter this school again.
Mr. Dari?
Yes?
Please come.
What?
Come. What's all this?
Hey.
See Mr. Daddy.
Killing people if I saw school with D. Come.
This is a shame.
What a pity. Calm down. Come and see what is going on.
This is a big shame.
Please, can you explain this for us, please? I want you to explain this. Share on your doing.
What a pity.
Mr. Dari, I'm talking to you. Explain.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Man. Are you a student of this school?
Of course.
9:30 a.m. You are just coming to school. I can see. So it is true. All students of this school are full of nonsense. But I will teach you all a lesson. Oh yeah, shoot out your bubble like this. I will trash your bubble. Oh yeah, shoot.
But I don't like it. Sorry.
Welcome you all to today's debate, and I hope you all know the topic we are debating on. The first person here is Divine Jegede. You come outside. And the last person here is Arike TAIWO. So maintain perfect silence so that we can all listen to ourselves. Thank you all.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my co-debaters, and my highly esteemed audience.
Good day, Mr. Chairman. Good day, panel of judges, the accurate timekeeper, my co-debaters, and the lovely student of this great school.
Standing before you is Jegede Divine, and I stand strongly to support the motion which says schools should have stricter punishments for sexual harassment.
I am here to oppose the motion which says stricter law should be enforced in schools for sexual harassment. Actually, or let me say, eventually, I would love to dispose the motion that says stricter law should be enforced, rather than put it in mind that guidance and counseling, moral upbringing, and good academical and moral discipline should be enforced in schools, rather than, because schools are not law enforcement centers, rather they are academical centers.
When punishments are weak, offenders find it easy to repeat their actions. But when schools have stricter laws and punishments, this sends a clear warning to their head, which will make them not want to repeat what they have done before. So with this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that schools are meant to have stricter laws and punishments for sexual harassment. Thank you.
The next speaker.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, accurate time.
We want Yoruba! We want Yoruba! We want Yoruba! We want Yoruba!
Ibi tí kú ó ti bá mi rè ń lọ sí kọ́kọ́.
Tí mo dájú gan.
Wọ́n gbọ́bẹ̀rù lọ. Tádéjọkẹ́ sọ wọ́n gbọ́bẹ̀rù. Adéjọkẹ́ ló pàlà rẹ̀ o.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ogun ti mọ̀ pé ìran bàbá yín ní jagun? Ìran oníkọ̀yí ní jagun.
Bọ́ọ̀ bá lọ padà sílé ibi tá a bá dé. Kí ló fẹ́ láì dájú pọ̀ ní kú sójú ọ̀nà?
Àwọn aráàlú àjẹsẹ̀
Ó dàbí pé àwọn aráàlú àjẹsẹ̀ wà.
Kò yí ẹ̀ṣọ́.
Ikọ̀ yóò! Àjàkókò! Akíkanjú ogun tí máa ṣáájú ogun. Akíkanjú ogun sá làwọn bàbá rẹ̀. Ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o. Ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o. Bínú bá ń bí ìwọ̀n ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o. Ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o. Ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o. Bínú bá ń bí ìwọ̀n ẹ fi kò ibẹ̀ wọ́n o.
Níbo ni bàbá lọ náà?
Bóyá bàbá lọ rèé sẹ̀yọ̀.
Bàbá lọ rèé sẹ̀yọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Nínú gbọ́bẹ̀rù. Bàbá ò lè sá lọ bàbá ti pòórá.
Ìwọ ọmọ pé gbọ́bẹ̀rù àwọn jagun àjàyè ni.
Jagun àjàyè nínú gbọ́bẹ̀rù táwọn èèyàn lọ tí wọn ò dé mọ́. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi ò síwájú ó bà ṣe lọ ẹ̀yìn ó ti padà sí èmi rẹ́lẹ́.
Ẹ̀yin ó fẹ́ padà sí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ̀mí ara àti ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ń sọ̀rọ̀ ìlówè. Ìmọ̀ ńlá ronú. Èmi nìkan mọ̀ ló kù ní gbọ́bẹ̀rù.